If you want to build a professional and nice portfolio website, this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can build portfolio website for free. This is a complete tutorial, so please hit a subscribe button, like and share my videos with your friends. Let's get started this video. For portfolio website, there are multiple themes in the market. But if you are beginner and you decide to just start with WordPress, you can try out some free tools or free themes. If you not yet have a WordPress hosting, I will recommend you to try out Hostinger here. And if you click link in description, you will get extra 2-month free. Or you can go with the Bluehost. Bluehost has nice plans and up to 75% with our affiliate link in description. You can go with any Bluehost or Hostinger. After you get your hosting, you have to install WordPress on your hosting. If you don't know how to install WordPress, you can watch my other videos where we have complete tutorial about how to install WordPress. And here we already have a dashboard. And now we will go to first setting option to check our permalinks. As always, permalinks are very important. Before we start building any type of website, we make sure our permalinks are set to post name. For that, we will go to setting option and click on permalinks. Here, in most of cases in new WordPress, you might see your settings set to date and name, day and name. You have to change it to post name. Okay, and also then scroll down and click save changes. Okay, the next step, we will install Astra theme. We will go to appearance and click on themes. First step here, click on add new theme and check for Astra theme. In Astra theme, once you get Astra theme, click on install and activate right away. After you activate your Astra theme, go to WordPress dashboard, just refresh one time. And then you will get this Astra option here in WordPress. After that, we will go to Astra dashboard. Click on dashboard. Okay, so here we have a lot of free Astra free features. You can see we are using now Astra free, and we have in the quick setting, we have a lot of options like site identity, header setting. If we wanna customize in header or footer, we have all these options available. But if you wanna go with the Astra Pro, you will have a lot of nice tools which can help you to build your website more professional look. Okay, for the Astra Pro, and there is link in description as well. So here we will click on starter template. Click on starter template. In your case, might you not yet have a Astra template plugin. In your case, you might see install or activate. Just click activate starter templates. After that, you will see this dashboard. We have two options to build with AI and classic starter templates. So we will go with classic starter templates and click on build with the templates. After, this is our professional template page here. We can find a lot of beautiful templates here. Okay, then we will choose upper side. We will choose our website builder. If you're comfortable, if you have experience with Elementor and you know how to customize it. So here we have a list of a beautiful professional template options, and then upper side you will see option to select your website builder. If you have experience with Elementor, you know how to customize website with Elementor, then you can go with Elementor. Once you choose Elementor here, this will give you template choices according Elementor. if you want to go with blog editor or Braver builder, you can also go with those options. And now we will click on Elementor. Okay, then we will go to option professionals here, personal websites. Yes, we will go to personal website and click on portfolio and CV option. Here you have a multiple choices to choose your templates. What type of portfolio website you want to build, you can select your portfolio option from these templates. If you want to go with dark one or simple color or multiple color, colorful template, you can choose that one. Okay, so here I will choose this option, personal portfolio. Let me click on it. Okay, so here we will upload our website logo. Click. Let me choose my logo file here. If you not have logo, you can create beautiful logo with Canva. And then downside we have a logo width. If you wanna adjust your logo, you can adjust your logo here. I will recommend stay with the 80 to 100 pixel. Yeah, here something here. Yeah, and then we have option to choose our font for our website. You have multiple choices for the fonts. Like that, you can try out other fonts if you like. Okay, for example, this one. This is Outfit and DM Sense. Okay, then downside we have a color palettes. Let me choose my color palette. If you wanna go with the red color, pink color, blue color, you have a multiple choices. But I will recommend you here, first once you already have your logo file, you have a color code for your logo, then I will recommend to use that similar color in color palette. That will help in build your website identity. Okay, if you don't know how to customize it, how to build portfolio website, we also offer digital marketing services. You can reach us. We can build a beautiful portfolio website for you. Let me choose this color blue and click continue. Then we have a multiple option to choose from. We have some features like donation. If you decide to accept donations on your website, portfolio website, or if you have any project where you need to accept donations, then you can select this option. What this will do, once you select this option, this will suggest you some of the plugins you need to install later on. Then downside we have automation and integration. There might be some plugin like newsletter. You can automate newsletters for your customers, for your clients. And then we have a sales funnel. If you want to install sales funnel regarding e-commerce, then you can choose this one. Sales funnel you can also build for the business, any type of sale funnels. This will help you to build a sale funnel page. Then we have a video player. If you have a video on your portfolio, then you can choose video player here. Free live chat. You can, after you select your options, go ahead, click continue, or you can skip this option. That's okay for that. And then we have to provide some information regarding yourself, like your name, your work email address. Here you can choose beginner, and I'm building website for myself. Okay, then downside we have a little icon, maintain previous or old data. It look like you already have a, if you already have a website on your hosting, on your WordPress, previously you have other website, but you want to switch to this theme or portfolio website, then it will ask you if you would like to go ahead and delete your older data like you have a post, you have a multiple images, you have menu sections, it will remove those options. Enable this to maintain your old data including content. Yeah, if you want to maintain your old data, then you have to select this option. Okay, because what this will do, this will install new demo data on your website. With it will maintain your old data as well. Okay, let's go ahead and click submit and build my website. Now we will wait till we complete this process, and then we will start customizing our website. Okay, as you can see, your website is ready, and it took just 11 seconds to build. Okay, let me check my website by clicking here, view your website. Click on that. Yeah, we have a beautiful portfolio website. Now this is easy to customize. Change your own image here, changing the heading and title and description. Okay, you also have an option for what services you provide. You also have this option. Later on I will also show you how to enable or accept services, or if you want to go with appointment, set appointment directly from your website, from your portfolio. I will also teach you this one. Downside, we have a video section. If you not have any video, we can remove this option later on. Okay, then we have a work experience, my portfolio, what my clients say, reviews, stay in touch, this will be here, newsletter. Okay, then we have a nice footer section. Okay, perfect. Now we will go to visit dashboard. We will go back to dashboard option here. Okay, the first option here, to check our menu, we have home, about, portfolio, contact for menu. If I click one by one, let me check if our pages are correctly. So we will start customizing our pages as well. Portfolio, yeah, also good. Then we have a contact option. Yeah, we need to customize it. In the portfolio, how to change your portfolio or provide your own portfolio. Let me go to WordPress here. In the WordPress, let me go scroll down. Yeah, once we go to portfolio section, we will just add it with Elementor. Let me check this one. Okay, this will open Elementor customizing dashboard. Yeah, here with the Elementor you can simply change the portfolios. Okay, so where we start from? We will start from customizing our home page. Let me go back in the home. Okay, this is our home page. Now upper side you will see option added with Elementor. This is our admin panel. We call it admin panel upper side. Okay, or you can first customize your header section where we have a hire me button. You wish to change this button, you can do this as well. Okay, so let me click on customize, or you can go to appearance and click customize. Same option will be open. Okay, so this is our customizing area for some basic customization, because for the home page customization we will use Elementor later on. So in this customization here we have some basic setting we need to make it done. Okay, now you will see here header builder option. Click on that. So here customizing your header is very easy. You can see my mouse. This is our 3 panel. upper side, top bar, middle bar, where we have a logo, primary menu is a middle, and button. Okay, this is easy to change your menu section here, or you can use your mouse. You wanna change button, just go ahead and hover your mouse nearby the button, and you will see this blue little pencil icon. Click on that, and left side you will see here option to change your text. Example, contact me, contact us. Okay, and it will change contact us, and we need to provide contact us link here. How to get that link? First, you have to make sure what type of button you wanna add in header. Example, some people in portfolio, they display hire me or check my project, contact us, mostly like that. Make sure you already have pages created according this option. If contact us, if I display contact us, so definitely I will provide in the downside link for contact us. How to find this link? Go to pages, all pages, and scroll down. You will see contact about some pages. You can check one by one which contact page you wanna display. Yeah, this one. Okay, just copy, go back, let me go back. Yeah, here. Just you only need to do is go to view, right click, copy link address. That's all. And then where we customizing our in other tab, in the link we paste that link like that. So if someone click contact us, that will go to our contact us page. Okay, if you want to open your contact us page into new tab, you can allow them. They will just click here and another window will be open for your customers or viewers. If you want to hide this button for mobile device, you can just in the visibility you can uncheck both options. Okay, if I now open my website as mobile device like that, you will see there is no button. But if I enable button in the visibility, button will be visible. Then it can be visible anywhere if you have a space extra here in the mobile theme here. Okay, if you wanna disable the button only for desktop, just keep it one, other keep it disabled. Okay, please don't forget to click publish right away so you will not lose your work. Let's go to next, main menu, the middle one, or you can follow the downside this box by clicking primary menu. Click here and left side this option will be open. We have a general, we can configure our menu here. Click on that. Okay, now this is our primary menu. We will go to first primary menu and downside edit menu. Okay, now we have these pages. If we want to add more pages, if for example if you created some more pages you want to add here, just click on add item and scroll in the pages, check what page you want to display. Just click this add little icon like that, like okay, it will be keep adding here. Okay, that's how it is easy to add extra things in the menu. But if you want to add like a post, landing page, floating button, categories, you can also display here. Okay, now we will go to our logo. In the logo section, you can adjust your logo. You can click on different logo for Retina devices. You can enable this one, then you have to provide different logo for that. Okay, and you can click mobile, upper side. But if you don't want transparent, right now our header is transparent. You can see here downside we have a little little color, and same color we have in header. So because our header is transparent, if I disable transparent header and you will see some other color in the header section. Okay, then you have to go to design section. Okay, this option will be in header builder. You can follow this left side area in header builder. You can check all the options you have in header builder. So downside, if you scroll down, you will see sticky header, divider element, language switcher, a lot more option. That's why you need to upgrade to Astra Pro. Okay, if you really want to make this website professional, I have given Astra Pro link in description where you get discount for your subscription. Let's go to design option. In the design option, we can design our header section. We have an option for full width if you want to go with full width, or content width. I will recommend content width. So here we have downside content. This is very same height as content. If you go with full width, it will be full width header. Okay. In the element section, you have a header present, a site, title and logo, button, primary menu, same options we have here. But example, you want to add some more stuff in the header, or you want to add something like example, some people display pages, business page or service pages, like a privacy policy, contact us. How you can display those one? We have a right now, you can see my mouse. This is our customizing header section area. So we have 3 row here, 1, 2. The middle row we already have some stuff like logo, primary menu, button. Yeah, this one. But we need to add into top bar. So we will bring our mouse here in the top bar. Just click on that. You can add account if you allow sign in, HTML, secondary menu. You can use a secondary menu in the top section. If I choose secondary menu, and you will see here we have a lot of pages here, but we can set our pages. We can delete extra pages by clicking just or click secondary menu. Okay, click on that and configure menu from here. Now in the secondary menu, we did not select any menu. In your case, you might you see empty, but you have to select a secondary menu. But if you not have secondary menu but other pages are displayed here, just go ahead in the secondary menu, click create new menu, name it secondary menu or SCC, secondary menu, and downside, make sure secondary menu selected, click next. Now click add item. Again, you have to follow this one. Now in the secondary menu top bar, what pages you want to display, like like you have a home page, contact. Example, you want to display about and contact pages in the top bar. Now we have here about and contact. Downside, you can display like if you have a blog, like blog categories, then you have to scroll down and click on this pencil icon. Okay, you can click here primary menu. In the primary menu, configure here, click here, configure menu from here. Primary menu number 1, click edit menu. Just click add items, go scroll down to categories. If you already have category, you will see categories here for your blog or any projects. If you want to add some more stuff here in the categories, how you will see these categories, how to add these categories, go to post section and categories. If you want to enable blog for your website or portfolio, then you need to create categories, some categories here. Then you can display categories simply here. Just click add. Okay. You can do one thing here. For example, we already display about and contact button, contact menu here in the top bar. Now we don't need to add it here in the, so we will expand one by one. Click remove. Okay, now we have home and portfolio, but I want to add here blog section. Click add item, go to pages, look for blog page here. Okay, and then click publish. Okay, the top bar same, the right side you want to display here. Okay, just go back. Okay, click header builder again. Okay, this pop-up window again open. Now bring your mouse to right side, click this plus icon. You have choices for search option, social media buttons. If I click choose social media, social here, click on that, and social media button will be display here right side. You can easily customize those by clicking this pencil icon nearby the icons, and then expand one by one. Example Facebook, Behance, Twitter, and you can even add more social icons. Just you have to select from here what else, like Patreon, select Patreon, click add social icon. Patreon will be added here and will be displayed in the upper section. If you want to show labels, you can also show labels like that. Okay, if you want to delete any, like Behance, Patreon, and we only keep 3, and then go one by one, expand this one, and in the URL section provide your Facebook URL. Okay, same in Twitter and Instagram. Once already done, click publish. So now we have a top bar, we have a social media button, and we have a portfolio. You also can keep everything here in the middle row. Okay, for example, you don't want to display the uppers, just to delete those sections in from the top bar. So if you wanna only keep the middle row, and then you have to do one thing, go to this middle row of menu here, and you will see one more plus button here. Click on that and select social here, and you will see it will display nearby the contact button. But let me off labels, so we have an extra space. Let me bring it to just drag it to after button like that. Okay, now you can see we have contact us, we have a social icon in one row. Okay, this is easy. Click primary menu again, just to configure menu again. Add first primary menu, edit menu, add more stuff here, will be visible like that. Okay, click publish. Okay, perfect. Let me go back. Same in the footer. In the customizing area, you will see after header builder, downside footer builder, the same things in the footer. Just follow these rows 1, 2, 3. For example, down row we have a copyright here, we call it bottom row. Middle row we have a social, visit 1, visit 2 here. Okay, upper row, top row is nothing. Okay, now you wanna change this copyright text, or you can follow here this box. Number 1 copyright, number 2 visit 1. Just click on copyright and change copyright here. Okay, by default it will keep site title, current year. I think this is good setting. Okay, go to design. If you want to change design of for this text, go to design. In general, you change things in the design, you change for the text and font. Click on text color, choose your text color like dark, like that. I want to go with dark one or red one. You can change text color here. Sometime it may take some time to display the changes. Okay, you can choose font size. Okay, like that. And then we have a widget one. In the widget one, click on here, welcome to blog widget, click got it. Okay, now we have to click within this area. Okay, this is the image. You can simply remove or replace this image. Okay, let me click here, widget one, or you can simply remove. Widget 2, we have a social. Okay, you can just add your own stuff here. Right now, why it's showing different footer? Because I have added Elementor header and footer. That's why it's showing here differently. If I delete that plugin, you can also use Elementor header and footer. Okay, this is optional. Okay, now if I refresh here, you will not see my same footer. Now we can easily make changes because we will follow this header footer builder, so we don't need extra like that. Now this is perfectly visible. Okay, now if I will go back again to footer builder, now I can change anything here. In your case, you might have same thing here. Okay, now first we have a social. We have this logo, middle side. Click on that and change. Click on replace image. Choose your logo here, like that. Okay, just make it little smaller. How you can make it smaller? If it looks big, click edit image. In the full size, click custom size. You can select something width 140. You can try this one. Click update to make it smaller, like that. Okay, and then for the email address, you can go to widget 2 here, click on that, and you can just click on the title section and change your email. You want to add some more stuff? The process is very same. Click this plus icons. In the top bar you have plus icons, downside we don't have. Okay, upper side we have. But if you want to display 4 rows, we only have 3 dividers, 1 2 3. If you want to add more, just click here, setting, primary footer setting. Okay, this one, select here 4. Now we have extra more space to add pages here. Then downside, follow this plus icon and select here footer menu. Okay, in your case your footer menu may be different. Just click footer menu, click on that one time, configure menu from here, and now instead of primary or secondary, now look for footer menu. Here it is. Click edit menu, downside, and now you can change your footer menu. Remove all other. If you have something stuff you want to display in the footer, click add item and select from the pages what you want to display, like portfolio, home, like that. You can drag it first, home, like that, and then we have a contact, portfolio. Click publish. Okay, so this is about header and footer. Now let's go to our main section. Now we can directly click edit with Elementor. If you not see your top bar here, in your case, go to pages, all pages, look for your home page or front page. Okay, here it is. You will see this text, front page Elementor. Then you will see downside little edit with Elementor. Right click. Let me click, right click, open link into new tab. So I will customize sorry for that. So I will customize it into new tab. So here now we will customize our home page. Okay, now you can easily customize anything. If you want to change image, bring your mouse to the image, right click, edit image, and left side change your image here. Click change image, you can change your image easily like that. Let me try upload other image like that. Okay, I'm going to give you one tip here. Use transparent background image, looks more good. So example, this image is transparent and looks have same background tones. So try to use, make sure in the downside image resolution select full, so it will display in full quality. Okay, then here title, bring your mouse to title, right click, edit heading. In the edit heading left side, start typing in the title what you wanna type. Okay, just select this one. I'm a web developer, you can change anything. Same in the downside description, you can do same, right click, edit text editor, or double click click two times with the mouse and start typing. This will be your customizing or typing area in the left side. This is how Elementor, it is easy to build your website itself. Same here for the button. On the button, bring your mouse to the button, right click, edit button, and now you can change text for the button. About me or about us. Then in the link you have to provide your about us link. You can find your about us link here in the pages. Right click. Once you already find about page, right click on the view copy link address. Okay, so now we have a downside about us section, where if you want to keep about me or just to change this description downside, right click again, edit text editor, and now provide something about yourself. If you want to get help of AI, you can generate something nice lines from the ChatGPT, and it will help you to create your homepage descriptions as well as titles. Then we have here two box sections and the image. Every time you want to change image, right click, edit image, and the left side, this image you need to change. So here one by one you can start customizing, change your sections one by one. Then we have a UX design, the services you offer, description, and this is the clickable link. So for that, I will recommend here you can create different service pages for your services. Like digital marketing, you must have digital marketing separate page for that. If someone going to click here, they will visit to that particular page. For that, you have to go to pages, add new page, name it digital marketing, and every time they will click, they will visit to that particular page. To change this, double click and then change your heading here, description as well, double click, and it will change your description as well. Okay, then same here in the digital marketing, description, web development, and here description. And the down section, you wanna make it clickable, just click this pencil icon small, and this is actually the icon. In the icon you will see option link. You have to provide that particular service link here. If someone going to click here, they will visit that particular page. In the shape of icon, you can change the shape of this icon, framed, stag. You can try different things here. If you wanna go with circle, keep it circle. Okay, just customize one by one. Downside, we have a video section. For the video section, you have two options. Either if you want to just to change your video, you have an option to change it. Just click nearby the hover here icon, or right click, edit icon. Then you have to provide your YouTube link or any video channel drive link. So they will click here, they will see the video work process or how you work about that. If you want to delete this section, this is very easy. You have to just scroll your mouse to nearby here cancel icon, delete container, click on that. Okay, this is how easy to delete every section. Downside, we have a work experience. Work experience you can also change directly from here with Elementor. Okay, you want to change the progress bar here. Bring your mouse to progress bar, double click, and you can even give the title and you choose the percentage like that, 100% like that. Okay, you want to display percentage, enable this one, 98% like that. The services you are working as experience, UX designer, you can double click, change the title as well as the date, double click and change the date in the title. Okay, change one by one all these things. In the portfolio, just click on anywhere under the portfolio images here. Click edit image carousel. This is actually image carousel. So they can click one by one, they will see that particular portfolio. So if I click, if I wanna change this image carousel, we have a 5 image, then click inside this small icon. Okay, then you wanna change all these, just cancel all these one by one. Now we have to add 5 images here. You can select a file from your computer, 5 files, or you can click first add to gallery and then click from your keyboard CTRL 1 2 3 4. Okay, click. Okay, now 4 image selected, insert to the gallery. Okay, now you have a different gallery. Let me cancel this one. Okay, now we have a portfolios. They will click any portfolio, they will able to see that one particular. Okay, you can check additional options, lazy load, pause on mouse, pause on hover, auto speed, animation speed, everything. Okay, then you have what my clients say. You can even change the description here, double click, keep change in the changing edit text editor section. Also bring your mouse to the name, double click and change the title for the clients. Downside, stay in touch. Let me check. I think this will be a form. Yeah, this is a form. You have to select the form here. You can find your forms in WPForm option. Okay, you can use WPForm, contact forms have in any, you can use any. Then you have to go to forms, all forms, and you have to first check which form you wanna select. If all these forms already good to go, then you can select preview one by one. If everything is good, like this is a newsletter, then they will able to subscribe it. Then you have to select here newsletter. Make sure you select here so it will be visible. If contact us, select contact form like that. Okay, you have a multiple choices. You can even create more forms by clicking here add new. Okay, and now WP form, we will build our form. Name it, you can name it any. Then downside, you have a multiple choices like simple contact form, newsletter, party invitation, new year. You can select which form you wanna, meeting room registration. Okay, even you can build it itself. Okay, my template, available template, you can check all these. Okay, Otherwise you can go to down section here. Let me check. Or you can just select blank form if you want to build it yourself. Create blank form. Now you can easily build your form. Single line, you can drop single line here. Paragraph, just to drag it here. It's easy to build a form. Name of the person upper side, email is the second, like that. Wanna change here this text, double click in the label, change all these things. Downside paragraph text, you can change the label. Details, like that. And once already done, click just save. Okay, then next time you will choose here, we just create new form. You have to refresh one time, then you will see new form here. Okay, so this is easy. Same in the other pages like contact us. Click edit with Elementor, or you can find contact us other pages in the pages section here. All pages, click on all pages. The pages you wanna just customize with Elementor, go one by one. Click edit with Elementor, right click, you can open into new tab. Okay, then start providing the info. Okay, about me, you can, the customization is very similar. Just keep double click or right click. Okay, the things you wanna change, like image, let me right click, edit image, change your image here. I want this image like that. Okay, same in the social button here, just click edit. In the items, one by one, expand that one. If you want to add more links here, click add item. Downside, first select icon library. From the icon library, select your social media here, or you can search like YouTube. Okay, select insert. Now you have one more list item. You can change text to YouTube, or you can keep it blank. Okay, if you wanna only show this icon YouTube, that's all. Make sure in the link section provide your YouTube link. Okay, the same thing here to change everything. So we will not make this video more longer. If you have any question regarding portfolio website, you can leave comment. I will definitely reply you there. Let's check some other option. Okay, now let me show you how you can accept appointments here in the portfolio directly. Like you want to click here, appointment, book appointment, something here. How to do that? Let me show you. To accept appointments, we need to install one plugin which is named BookingPress. In the BookingPress is actually a nice plugin. You can accept appointment, booking, everything in one plugin. You will also find link in description for BookingPress plugin. If you are looking for everything in appointment, like you are building appointment or portfolio website, you need some nice feature in the appointment, so people will able to book appointment directly or with you. So you can go with BookingPress Pro. Is very affordable. They have affordable plans. You can check that one. Okay, let me search for BookingPress and you will find this plugin. If you want to go with the free version is very limited. Click install now and activate. Okay, now you will see new option BookingPress. In the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, click on BookingPress dashboard section. So here you have to provide basic info for your business. Click next, and you have to provide booking availability and currency downside. Click next, and you can name your service, the services you offer. price and duration, like appointments, you can name it appointment. If you wanna free, just to keep, don't put any price, keep it blank, and duration and description. After done, click next. You can choose fonts also similar to your website font, and color. After choosing color, click finish. That's all. Then now I will show you how to display the appointment or book appointment button in the home page. Okay, so here, once you already done here in the congratulations page, you will see they will give you one link here. Just copy this link. Okay, make sure you copy this link. After you copy this link, go to, let me check this link. If I paste this link into new tab, it will bring to booking book appointment page. Yeah, like that. Okay, right now we have no category, no service. Okay, but later on we will display it here. Instead, contact us. Okay, first I just paste the link, this link. Okay, I only need link. I will change the button here first. Click customize. And now click on header builder. Go to the button section here, downside button. Instead of that link, delete old link, and in the text change appointment. Okay, in the link now we will paste that link we just copy. That's all. Publish. Now our button is ready, but we need to add some services first in the booking plugin. Go back. Let me go back to my dashboard. Okay, here I will go to BookingPress, and you will have option like calendar, appointments, where you can check your appointments here in the appointment section. You have a payment section, customers, services. If you click on services, you have option, or you can follow the top bar here. You can add services in the service option. Okay, click manage category, and this here will be all the service category. If you click add new, I will name it category digital marketing, like appointment related to digital marketing according your niche or your service. Click save, and now we have this category. Okay, let me click close. Now I will create a new service here. Okay, I will click add new. Okay, now I will add service name like appointment. I will provide the icon or logo. Select category under digital marketing. Duration 30 minutes. Price is 0 if you're offering free, or put only 0. Description, provide some description. Okay, click save. Now we have also service, we have also our button ready. Let me check my website now. Okay, now if I click on appointment, now you will see we have an appointment section. Okay, like that. Service, appointment 30 minutes, and date and time. Then you have to go they have to visit one by one section. Select, and then time slot. Select time slot, then basic info, summary, everything is ready. If you're looking for a pro, I think you must have to go. If you're building professional website, that's okay. You have to you pay little bit extra amount for building your website more professional. In appointments, you provide them every selection. They have to go one by one according your service. Then you can go with their pro plan. What you get in pro plan, let me show you. When you click link in the description for the pro section, you can see they have unlimited appointment, up to 3 websites. They have a standard plan with the 1 website, unlimited appointment, staff management, fully customizable, which is nice thing, premium support, also 20 plus payment gateway, which is nice thing, and add-ons, 50 plus add-ons included. Let me show you what those 55 plus add-ons like invoice, tax, cart add-on, customer service, duration, service extra, coupons, deposit payment, which is nice things. Okay, so you can consider this one. If you click link in description, you will get some extra discount as well. Okay, so now you can create your services one by one. Now next service, click. If you don't want to go with the category, that's okay with that. You can just click add new, just add new service. Then for the setting, let me show you some setting for this. If you wanna build just a appointment website or a booking website, I just create a video complete tutorial in last day. You can check that one. So where we have a complete tutorial about booking website, where I explain deeply about BookingPress step by step. You can check that one. Here we have in the setting, general setting, we have a duration, service duration, default, and time slot. We have set a time, appointment, status, paid, pending, number, and then we have company information, notification. You can check one by one. In the notification, which is a nice thing, they will have they will get email upon appointment. You can go with the WordPress default one, or you can use also the Gmail, which is nice thing. Okay, then you have to provide client ID, client secret, everything here. Then you can click connect with Google. For if you don't know how to add this one, you can get more information how to get client ID or client secret for Google Gmail. You can search in Google for that. Okay, if I choose WordPress and default, you don't need to provide those information. If I choose Google Gmail, as you can see, the Gmail mailer work well for site that send low number of email. If you have a low number of emails, like not too much clients, limited client, then you can go with this Google or Gmail. If WordPress, you can it work unlimited. That's nice thing. Then you have a working hours. You can change your working hours. Holidays, you can set what date you have a holiday, just to select, and name of the holiday, repeat every year, just to save. So in that time, people will not able to set appointment. Automatically it will be freeze. Payments, in the payment section, if you have a paid services, you can select currency. You can ask them to pay with PayPal here. Downside, if other currency, you have to definitely go with their pro plan. We have a message section. I think these already good setting, we don't need to change, but still if you want to change, like no booking selected for booking, what text they will see please select any service or appointment, all the labels. Okay, then we have a import export. You can import export customer data, appointments, just select, click export, it will export. Okay, this way you can accept appointments also your portfolio website. If I click again appointments, and you will see appointment, book appointment page. If they click contact us page is different. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question, please let me know in comments. I will definitely reply. And in the next tutorial, I will bring one more video about portfolio website, and then we will use some other themes. And so stay with me. Please hit subscribe, like, and share my videos with your friends. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.